Hello dear friends, in this video I will prepare eggs for the Easter table. I'll make 2 colors and show how beautiful and elegant they will look with edible gold. We will need onion skins. I rinsed them under running water, then poured water over them and boiled for about 20 minutes. After that they need to steep for several hours, or better yet, overnight. Through a sieve I separated the onion skins from the liquid. Then I added a tablespoon of salt. I took raw brown eggs, but you can also use white ones. I boiled them for 9 minutes. The darker color you want to get, the longer you should leave the eggs in the solution. Take the eggs out of the solution and rinse them under cold running water. Rub your hands with egg white, place a sheet of edible gold as shown in the video, gently spread it out and roll the egg in it. That is, decorate it. For a brighter shine, coat each egg with vegetable oil using a paper towel. To prepare white eggs, I first boiled them for 9 minutes. I take egg white, rub it on my palm, place a sheet of edible gold there, also rub it, and decorate the egg. I hope my video will be useful for you. You can decorate eggs like this too. They will become a decoration for your Easter table. It looks refined, elegant, and subtle. See you next time, friends.